Hello teachers, I am Suresha. I am here to teach you how to upload assignments in the Google Classroom. See, this is a Google Classroom window. Here what you have to do, first you go to your class, whichever class is yours. Let me go to 10th Tagore. Okay, here some assignments have been listed. Now if I go to this portion, stream, from here I can make announcements like from tomorrow we will have special classes, please read the chapter number 4, like that. Those announcements you can put from stream. How to put, I will show you. See, click on stream, share with your class. See, all the announcements you have to type it here. Okay, when you type it here, it will be displayed in the stream. Okay, you go there and type whatever you want to type. The note should be short and sweet, and if you want to add some pictures, you use this attachment button. Okay, don't ever give your assignments here. This is only to stream, that is announcements. If you have a photograph of timetable, you can post it here like that. Okay, only announcements you have to make through stream. Then where to make your assignments? You have to come to this place. Okay, classroom, classwork. When you click this classwork, you can see this plus mark again. See, you click on this plus mark, then there are 4 or 5 options. See, assignment, question, material. If you take question, you can have only one question of any type, like multiple choice, short answer or long answer. When you ask a question from here, students can answer there only. There will be a place provided for them to enter answer. If you want your students to do it on a paper and upload it to you, then select this option, assignment. If you select this question, the question, if it is multiple choice question, then they will select answer from there only. If it is a short answer, there will be a place provided, there only they will type the answer. Even if it is a long answer question, they will type the answer there only. That is question format. If it is an assignment, then you give a title of the assignment, then description, what way you expect the answers, say 100 words, 50 words, or with diagram, with rough diagram, with label, like that. Description should be here. This is optional. If you want, you will write it, otherwise no need. But title should be there. Then how much marks you will give. Say, let me give mathematics or English, poem, whatever it is. Okay, mathematics, description, solve 3 problems. Okay, if I have given 4 or 5, I can say any 3 problems. Okay, then I will give 3 means 3 into 3, 9 marks I will give. Okay, 9 points. Due date I can give some date. Okay, tomorrow's date I am giving. Time, let it be optional. Topic, you select topic mathematics. Okay, I have selected. Now my work is to attach. Okay, if you have created your assignment through Google Docs and converted it into PDF, okay, you can attach that one. If you want to take photographs and send, that is also fine if it is only one photo, but I always suggest you to make a PDF. If it is more than one page or more than one photograph, better you convert it into a PDF and attach it here. From this portion. Okay, click there, attach. You can select your PDF from your Google Drive, or if you want to give some video which you have already uploaded in the YouTube, or you want to share someone else's video, you can give the link from here. Okay, here you can give link. You can select your file from your drive. If your file is there in the phone memory, you can select it from here, file. If your file is in the paper, then if you want to take a photograph, use this one. Okay, and if it is a panoramic photo you want to take, then you want to show your school itself or your classroom, then record video. See, these are the options you can use it. Let me take file. Okay, file, and from here I will take one image. Okay, I can upload it from here. And in the same topic, here only I want to insert one more file, PDF. Then again I have to go to that attach here itself, and I can attach. Let it attach. Once this file is attached, that file will be displayed here itself as an attachment. See, like this. Okay, here you select make a copy of each student. Don't select students can view. Here they can only view, they cannot edit. If you select student can edit, they can edit on your file itself. They may spoil your file. So better you always select this one, make a copy for each student. Okay, let me select that one. Then you will see this icon. Afterwards, if you want to add one more file, again go to attach, select file. This time let me take some PDF files from downloads. Okay, I'll take this one, PDF file. I always suggest you to make a PDF file and upload it here. See here. And always you should do it in classwork. Don't ever do it in stream. Only if you do it here, whatever they will submit, no, it will go to grading option. Otherwise you will not get a grading option. Okay, now you have to click on send. Now this assignment has been listed in the classroom. See here, posted mathematics. Okay, student work. You go to instruction. See, due date is there, points is there, topic is there, and your description is there, and attachments. Okay, see that attachment is coming here. Once you open this one, even PDF will come like this. When you click on it, see assignments you can give like this. Okay, instead of 2 images, I will make it as a one single file with 2 photos. See, like this you can give. Student will do it in paper. They will take a photograph, and again they will convert it into a PDF, and they will send it to you using Google Classroom. Hope you understood this one. Better you use always this portion, classwork. Okay, to upload your files, assignments, you always use this one, classwork. Okay, don't use stream. Hope you understood. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click on like, share it, and don't forget to click on subscribe. Bye bye.